you guys, welcome back to. Can we start that all over? I ain't that. Hey, you guys. Can we often do this again? Hey, my baby dolls, it's your girl Kiana. You already know we back and back and back with another video. Shoo. Okay, we back with another video. So let me set you guys up because I guess the lag went out. Give me a second. Cause I'm gonna fix myself, take my shoes off. Okay. So today, I did a smacks or facts with my cousin, but I didn't post it on YouTube, so that's one thing. And today I'm not doing the facts, smack or facts today. I'm here to show you guys how to do 2 dance moves. Oh no, what I should do? Oh yeah, don't forget, I'm gonna be coming back with the prank, with the bangers. Purr. But I'm gonna put my cousin name up here. It don't matter. It's gonna be popping up somewhere. Y'all can only see it. So let's get right up. What else I was gonna do again? Teach us some dance move. Let's get right into it. Let's get right up into it. Let's get it, man. Let's go. Oh, yeah, I'm trying to hurry up and do these. Like, why I'm in a rush for? Oh yeah, please don't mind this part. Please, it's time for new braids, but who cares? Y'all hair be sticking up sometimes too. But peace. Alright guys, I'm back. You know, this is my outfit from the last video. So, like I was saying, we would do some dance move. Alright, y'all ready? So first one is real easy. Just go to boom, back, your turn. Okay, then we gonna do it together. I'm gonna go like this. Y'all gonna go like this. So you ready? Remember, I'm doing this, you doing this. And then we gonna switch it up and I'm gonna do this and you gonna do this, okay? You got it? Go. Switch. See, y'all got it. And then if you wanna, at the end, you can. Or you wanna bow at the end or do this at the end, you can. Then it's another day. I said I was gonna do 2, but I'm gonna do 3. And it's another dance that you guys should learn too. So doom. So like you showing someone. Then you wanna go roll it up, boom, down, hand on your shoulder, slide across, like you wiped off them haters again. Take your hands like an X, just start moving your arms. You can do it fast, you can do it slow. And then you hit the wall. Boom. It's so easy. And this is one more dance that this is the last thing that y'all should know. It's easy. Can you paper? But yeah, these are for kids and adults. Whoever want to watch this is for you. But like I said, my YouTube channel is not an appropriate channel. All I'm doing is just dancing and just talking about life and stuff. You know, and I'm gonna do a mukbang. Just put some Q&A questions in the, like, I'm making these YouTube videos and literally ain't nobody liking them, ain't nobody following them, ain't nobody like, oh girl, come hook her up, come do this, do that. But I watch y'all YouTube. That's dumb as hell. I can't be cussing. But that's just dumb. That's dumb. I'm trying to learn from cussing and doing all this. Because y'all, let me tell y'all one number thing. This supposed to be a dance on YouTube. But this ain't gonna work. Y'all just don't like my videos. All I have is 0. 0 comments, 0 likes. But like I said, that's okay though. That's okay. Because on my TikTok, I got more followers. But I'm still. I'll put my TikTok out there later. Not right now. Because people don't know how to respect me. I respect you by watching your YouTube channels. Now respect mine like I respect yours. And I'm not forcing you to like my videos. No, I just want you to watch them and like it. That's all. I just want to feel like I'm famous too, or just have a great feeling like, oh yes, they liked my video. Yes, that's all I want to feel. I'm not forcing you to do anything. Of course, I would never do that to my baby dolls, especially not my baby dolls. But for all my haters out there that don't want to follow me and do my TikToks and watch my YouTube because I'm lame, we gonna see when I'm lame when I come up with these bangers, bro. Bangers. When I come out with these when I come out with that, you better have it on guard. Purr. Alright, y'all. That's the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. And I have another channel coming right up. It should pop over here. Whatever. But like I said, you ain't gotta like this video. Like I said, I don't care. Just know, I hope you rot in hell. I hope you rot in hell. Cause that's just dumb. You want other people to watch your TikToks and watch your YouTube and give you likes. But then when they ask you to watch their YouTube and watch their TikToks and give them likes and stuff, you don't want to do it. So stop that. Stop being bullied. Stop doing that. You're going to eventually like it. Because if they do it to you, you do it back. I don't care how you feel. No matter if you was a teenager, little kid, 4-year-old, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You still got to respect your elders. I don't care if you got an attitude or nothing, because I don't feel bad, bruh. You can check who you want to check, but you're not checking me, but I check you. Baby, I'm bossing up my own self. I'm bossing up my health, my YouTube, all my likes and subscribers. Boss up, baby, and stop doing all that extraness and stop all that talking and boss up like you said. Boss up like you bad. Boss up. Because I'm a boss up because I wanna get my followers and my likes up here to 10K, to 2K or something. I don't want to be down here to 0, to 1, 2, 3. No. 10,000K likes. What's the point that y'all don't get? I want to get 2K likes. And that's the end of the conversation. Now, bye. You guys need to understand, not only just because you had the most likes, that you should treat other people wrong. Now, you need to understand, like Charlie D'Amelio and whatever the other girl, Addison Rae, somebody fix them two up. Because just because they got the most followers because they're celebrities doesn't mean anything. Before, if y'all existed, They weren't even celebrities. Now they're celebrities now. Just because they do TikToks and they do all this and stuff, yeah, we do the same thing, but y'all still congrats them. Man, them the same. It don't matter how good they dance. It's not about their dancing, it's about them trying. We're trying. You're not. They just getting the dance wrong. And I don't feel bad. I'm trying on my TikTok to get followers and likes, but I can't do that because people don't congrats me. And people also be talking about people weight and bullying people. And one more person I hear on TikTok bully somebody, I promise you, I will sue TikTok and I will ban TikTok myself. Donald Trump ain't gotta do it. I will do it. I will ban your account. If I see you say one word to Josie Brown, I promise you, I'm gonna ban your damn TikTok. I'm gonna ban your TikTok. You think I won't? Bet me. Oh God, bet me $200. Bet me $200. Bet me $200, and I mean it. Like this video. Give me to 50 to 5 likes, and I bet you that I hack your damn account. Trust me. Bye. Learn who you checking, bro, and check yourself with your raggedy too. Bye, y'all.